Hello, we're here at Scooter Creek, Lincoln City. The creek behind me, Lincoln City in Oregon. The creek behind me, Scooter Creek, it goes up and down according to the tide. And when the tide comes up, this creek gets higher. Tide goes down, the creek gets lower. So it's got salt water in it. So isn't that interesting? I'm just figuring this out today as I'm watching the creek go up higher. It lost the little, what do you call it? The bar. There was a sandbar in the middle of it this morning, but there is no sandbar there now. So we are enjoying the sandbar, or no sandbar. It's a deeper creek than it was this morning. This morning there was a couple deer, 3 deer actually, crossing it. And it was fun to watch. The first one was a buck, and there was 2 does right behind it. Anyway, just wanted to share a little bit here as we're visiting this area. This is the day the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. Jesus said, "I'm the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father but by me." Jesus is the only way to the Father God. There is no other way. I don't care what religion you're in. And some people don't understand who Jesus was. They think he was just a good man. Well, he was more than just a good man. He was Jesus Christ, the Son of God. And he is literally, according to his words, the only way to salvation. God bless you, every one of you. Goodbye.